Hey guys, Mehdi again. I have a 2007 Nissan Altima, and just I was checking the car. My scanner died. That's fine. I'm gonna explain what's going on and the things I'm gonna show you. I checked the car. They towed the car here. It wouldn't start. The light was all the lights were coming on, and the car it won't go to ready mode. And then I put the scanner on it and I checked it. There was a code P0AA6. You can get that code from any hybrid car. You know, it's kind of generic. It doesn't mean anything. You just throw a code. There's a problem with the system, with the hybrid system, but it doesn't say anything. And you need to have advanced diagnostic tools to pull the actual code, you know, the back code in the HP system to see what's going on with it. I did that. There was no help. Bunch of code stored because they tried to attempt to start it, and there was a bunch of code system low voltage or something like that. And then I pulled the battery data. If you go to the scanner and if you go to pull this card information and go to the data, there's a section that says battery data. If you have a good scanner, go to that. And this car has, I think, like 24 something battery block. Let me show you on an actual battery. These are called block. You see, these are block. Each individual block has a positive, negative, positive, and the other side is positive too. Like this one is, if it's positive, this one should be negative, and this goes like this. And all of them need to be in the same position. And you see this connectors. You see the corrosion. This is a problem. You know, this is an old car, and this is the original battery, and that's why the car, you know, this corrosion create the high resistance start, you know, warming up and overheating the battery. And your cooling fan, there's a fan on top of the battery right there. You see the fan? This fan start working, and it's non-stop working. It just keep going in a high speed, and that's indication your battery is overheating. And if you don't pay attention to that, it's gonna happen explosion. And this has happened. When I pulled the battery data on my scanner, I checked all the blocks. One block was stuck at 7.9, but normally it should be 15.80 something. You know, that's a good healthy battery block. If it's lower than that, it's something wrong with the block. Okay, something wrong. And there is a number, if you have that scanner, that shows the number. Mine was, I think, 13 or something, if I'm not mistaken. And this block is bad. We can't change the block right now because this battery is not in a good condition. I ordered another battery and put it on already, and it's in, the car's running, but we have some other issue. We want to take care of them too. But if you have this code and if you don't have a good scanner, take it somewhere, make sure they have a good scanner, check it, go to the HP system and pull the actual codes. Don't just rely on a P0AA6 because it doesn't mean really a lot, and it doesn't have a lot of information on it. Okay, I hope it was helpful for you guys, and if you find this video helpful, just please hit the thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more video. Thank you so much.